So welcome to the channel. If you like painting and pressure washing content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do a lot of DIY, oddly satisfying. Do a lot of pressure wash videos too. But today I'm over here in Fall River, Massachusetts. I'm going to be painting these 4 vinyl shutters, and I painted the just one side of the house, what you saw at the beginning. And today I was here putting the second coat on. So I did half of the house, half the side I'm working on. And I thought, well, I better hit the shutters so I can get 2 coats on them. And then when I finish this side of the house, I can put the shutters back up. So and it's such a nice day out, I figured they'd dry good and I'd have a chance to get 2 coats on them today. So I'm using a 2-inch angled sash brush. And I'm using Rustoleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Latex paint, black semi-gloss. And I'm just going around hitting the spots with the brush that I can't get in great with the roller, and then I'll come back and I'll roll it out and get it nice and smooth. They have it in a spray can too if you want to go that route. I just like doing it with the brush and the roller, and just it depends what you'd rather do. Sometimes I'll do it with the brush and roller, and I'll get a can of the can of the spray paint too, so you can like touch it up if you need to. Anyway, such a nice day. It's been so cool lately. It's been getting down in the 30s at night, so today was nice. And being on this side of the house, it gets all the sun. It was nice and warm. I could wear my shorts and a t-shirt. You can see I'm just going to hit all 4 of them. Then I'll put them aside, let them dry out good, give them a few hours, and then before I leave today, I'll hit them with a second coat. And I've got a little bit more on the house. You can see that shed in the back. I painted that a few years ago. That was the first job I did for this woman. She has 2 sheds. I painted both the sheds. And ever since, she's been calling me. She does like wants a little bit at a time done. So I'll do a side and I'll come over and do a little pressure wash. It depends what she wants done. But I've had, I think, 5 or 6 viral videos from this house. My last one, it just hit 10.3 million on YouTube. So I laugh. I bet I give you a little discount because I'm making money off the videos too. So anyway, she's my friend's aunt, so I go easy on her with the price. Real nice lady. And like I said, it's just like a small job here and there. We've become good friends. I work for her boyfriend too. He's always got work for me. So I figured I'd add in a little bonus footage. Here's me masking the windows with my 3M hand masker. It's the M3000, and I'm using 3M. The blue tape, 1-inch tape, and the 3M plastic. That's what I always use. And then the paper, I don't know what brand the paper is. I get it at Home Depot. Anyway, I masked everything off. Then I came back and I painted with a 2.5-inch angle brush and a Worcester Mini 4-inch, 3/4-inch snap, 3/8 snap. And everyone was telling me I should have sprayed it, but just for one side. I'd rather work the paint in. The side's kind of rough from all the sun, so I wanted to make sure I got the paint on there nice and heavy.